Hi there, I'm Monica Chau. I'm the Director of Research for the Hydrocephalus Association. And a little bit about HA. We are a patient organization. We started off as a patient advocacy and education organization, and now here we are 9 years in. We have a research arm, and we fund hydrocephalus research. And not only that, we work closely with patients, with physicians, with scientists, pulling together these disparate groups to get them talking. And we have formulated a list of research priorities. Everyone loves a list, and on the top of our list is finding non-invasive therapies for hydrocephalus. So this can be a drug therapy, this can be a gene therapy. This is for the simple fact that shunts work, but they also can fail, and often they are a source of anxiety and fear for families, children, older adults living with hydrocephalus. This fear of shunt failure, and having that fear is it can be quite debilitating and quite anxiety provoking. So that is top of our list, is to develop a non-invasive drug therapy.
Yeah, thanks so much, Monica. Just for this segment of At the Bench for the Incubator podcast, we're doing a little bit of a short segment here from the Hydrocephalus Association Research Discovery Meeting. And Monica just planned a phenomenal group of patients, scientists, investors, organizations. We heard from the NIH, from the DoD about how to fund research related to hydrocephalus. And so I just wanted to take a quick moment to chat with her about all the success that you've had and the momentum really in this community and in this space, for neonatal physician scientists to think more about how to partner with, forward-thinking, visionary organizations like the Hydrocephalus Association. So, on that note, any tips for, neonatal physician scientists or other folks who are working on hydrocephalus research specifically?
Yeah, we all know that collaboration is key. We can't move any of these mountains by ourselves. So at HA, we are a hub of collaboration. You can feel free to reach out to me, Dr. Crouch. We can connect you to people working in the same space. We have funding opportunities. We have an Innovator Award. That's our seed funding to provide funding to help scientists, physicians, gather preliminary data in order to go for the bigger grants. And we've seen a awesome wide range of topics in helping those with hydrocephalus. So look out for those on our website. We have a bunch of other awards too to support epidemiologists, neuropsychologists. We have an engineering award. We also have a travel award for our big patient conference coming up. So the patient conference is a great way to engage with those studying hydrocephalus and those who are living with hydrocephalus. We have our core scientists and physicians there all meeting up together. And again, it's about bringing these disparate groups together and starting to talk to each other.
Well, congrats again for running a phenomenal meeting. Monica Chau again, the research director at the Hydrocephalus Association. So check them out, Hydrocephalus Association, and thanks for tuning in.